In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a currency account on Revolut. If you've been using Revolut and have found yourself with multiple currency accounts that you no longer need, don't worry. Tidying up and managing your accounts is simple. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you know exactly what to do. First, let's start by opening the Revolut mobile app. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your device for a seamless experience. Once you've opened the app, take a moment to log in if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial. It allows you to access all your accounts and settings. Now that you're logged in, scroll to the right until you find the specific currency account you wish to delete. Revolut allows you to handle many different currencies, which is excellent, but sometimes we just don't need that extra account cluttering up our list. Once you've located the account that you're looking to get rid of, tap on it to open its details. Here, you'll see all the pertinent information related to this account, including transaction history and balance. It's a good idea to make sure that there's no funds remaining in this account or transfers you might have missed before moving forward. As you scroll down to the bottom of this details page, you'll notice the option to hide account. It might seem counterintuitive if you're looking to delete, but in Revolut, hiding an account is essentially like deleting it from your immediate view. So go ahead and click on Hide Account. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to hide the account. This is just a safeguard to ensure you're making the correct choice, since this action will remove the account from your list. Click on Yes to confirm your decision. And there you go! You shouldn't see that currency account in your main list anymore. It's been successfully removed from your view, making your account list cleaner and more manageable. It's that simple. Just a few quick steps and you've decluttered your Revolut app. Keeping your accounts organized can make a big difference, especially if you manage multiple currencies regularly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. See you in the next video.